Cooking, girl mixing batter. Line 1. The little girl happily mixes the batter to make something yummy. 2. Washing hands, boy at sink. Line 1. The boy washes his hands with soap to stay clean and healthy. Line 2. Clean hands keep germs away. 3. Your watering plants. Boy with watering can. Line 1. The boy gently waters his small plant every day. Line 2. Taking care of plants helps them grow strong and green. 4. You. Laundry, boy holding clothes. Line 1. The boy helps by putting clothes into the washing machine. Line 2. Doing small chores makes us responsible and helpful. 5. Ru. Mopping floor, girl cleaning. Line 1. The girl cleans the floor with a mop, making the room shine. Line 2. Keeping our home clean keeps everyone happy. 6. Drinking water, girl with glass. Line 1. The little girl drinks fresh water to stay healthy and strong. Line 2. Staying hydrated gives us energy for the whole day.